The graph of f is given on the grid below. Use the same grid to graph the inverse function. So if you're methodical about this, this problem isn't too tough. What I would do, let me just get my other screen up here. What I would do is just start by listing all of the points between there. So if you look on here, it's actually, now it's trying to graph it, but we're going to start right there. That first point is negative 7, 0. So we know if we're graphing the inverse, the domain and range just switch, or the x and y's just switch. So if it has a point negative 7, 0, my new graph is going to be 0, negative 7. So I'm going to go down there. That's the point that goes with that one right there. The next one, this is what? Negative 6, 2. So that's on my original function. The inverse of that function would be 2, negative 6. Okay, next point, which is right there, is negative 4, 3. So my graph has to have the point 3, negative 4. And the last point, negative 3, 6. So my graph has to have the point 6, negative 3. Okay, and then in between there, they're just linear. So we could keep this linear. So those are my points. I'm just going to connect lines. So let's use the graph down here. I'm going to try to, I actually did a point there. I'm going to try to make that one go away. So we want to go from, now I moved my graph too. Hold on, let's see if I can fix this. Now, let's go for my point. So we had 0, negative 7 there, 2, negative 6 right there, 3, negative 4, and 6, negative 3. And what we should see is that that graph should reflect across the line y equals x. Which it looks like it does. If you go across that line, looks like a reflection across there. So I think we're good. Let's just double check our answer. Okay. Looks good. That should be your last problem on there.